home to everyone. I, Bandita Rajbangshi of class 9, would like to share a message to everyone. Today we stand in the Paddy field. In books we read about farmers, crops and the journey of food. But here we are living that chapter. Some lessons are not written on paper, they are written in the soil, felt with our hands and remembered by the heart. कुछ पाठ किताबों में नहीं लिखे होते, वे मिट्टी में लिखे होते हैं, हाथों से महसूस किए जाते हैं और दिल में याद रहते हैं. By planting today, we are not just learning agriculture, we are learning patience, teamwork and gratitude. The pages of our textbooks will teach us facts, but the field teaches us values. Together they make our education complete. That's all for today. Thank you, and let's carry this lesson from the field to every page of our life.
I never knew planting rice was this hard. Now I will value every grain on my plate.
Today I learned that farmers are not just workers, they are life givers.
It's so different from reading in books. Here I can feel the lesson.
This mud is not dirty, it's full of life.
Now I understand the meaning of patience. The plan next time is like success.